Let's explore the product backlog. In Agile methodologies, creating, refining, and managing the product backlog is crucial for successful product development. This presentation will guide you through these processes. A product backlog typically consists of several key components. These include user stories, which are short descriptions of features from the user's perspective, usually following the format: "As a user, I want this so that I can achieve that." Acceptance criteria define the conditions that must be met for a user story to be considered complete, setting boundaries and expected behavior. Priority indicates the relative importance of items, determining the order of implementation based on business value and dependencies. Estimation involves assessing the relative size or effort required to implement a backlog item, often measured in story points, ideal days, or t-shirt sizes. To create a product backlog, first, gather requirements from stakeholders, users, and market research. Next, transform these requirements into user stories and other backlog items. Then, establish an initial prioritization based on business value. Add acceptance criteria to clarify expectations, and finally review the backlog with the team and stakeholders to ensure alignment. To write effective user stories, use the standard format. As a user role, I want a goal or desire so that I can obtain a benefit or value. Ensure your user stories adhere to the INVEST criteria, that is, independent, ensuring minimal dependencies on other stories; negotiable, allowing details to be discussed and refined; valuable, delivering clear value to stakeholders; estimable, allowing the team to estimate the work required; small, completable within one sprint; and testable, with clear criteria for completion. For example, as a mobile app user, I want to save my payment information so that I can check out faster next time. As a project manager, I want to see team velocity metrics so that I can better forecast delivery dates. As a customer support agent, I want to access customer purchase history so that I can provide more personalized help. Backlog refinement is the ongoing process of reviewing, clarifying, and reprioritizing backlog items. Refinement activities include breaking down large items into smaller, more manageable pieces, adding details to clarify requirements and acceptance criteria, reprioritizing based on changing business needs and dependencies, estimating the effort required for implementation, and removing obsolete or unnecessary items. The benefits of refinement includes reducing planning time during sprint planning, improving the team's understanding of requirements, increasing development velocity and efficiency, ensuring the backlog remains relevant and valuable, and enhancing collaboration between the team and stakeholders. Several techniques can be used to prioritize the backlog. The Moscow method categorizes items as must-have, critical requirements; should-have, important but not critical; could-have, desirable but not necessary; and won't-have, lowest priority or future items. The value versus effort method prioritizes based on the business value delivered and the implementation effort required, focusing on high-value, low-effort items first. The Kano model classifies features as basic, expected by users, performance, increase satisfaction linearly, and delighters, unexpected features that excite users. Weighted shortest job first prioritizes using a formula: priority equals cost of delay divided by job size, and considers business value, time criticality, risk reduction, and opportunity enablement. Several tools are available for backlog management. Jira offers comprehensive backlog management, advanced filtering and reporting, customizable workflows, and integration with development tools. Trello provides visual Kanban style boards, a simple intuitive interface, card-based organization, and power-ups for added functionality. Azure DevOps offers end-to-end project management, integrated continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines, robust backlog and sprint planning, and advanced analytics and reporting. Asana provides task and project management, multiple view options like list, board and timeline, goal tracking and progress visualization, and team collaboration features. Pivotal Tracker focuses on agile project management, story-based backlog organization, automatic velocity tracking, and release and iteration planning. Monday.com offers customizable workflow templates, a visual and intuitive interface, automation capabilities, and integrations with other tools. Here are some best practices for effective backlog management. Keep the backlog dynamic by regularly reviewing and updating it to reflect changing priorities, market conditions, and customer feedback. Maintain appropriate detail, with near-term items having more detail and longer-term items remaining at a higher level, adding details progressively as items move up in priority. Encourage collaborative ownership, involving the entire team and key stakeholders in its creation and refinement for diverse perspectives. Focus on value, ensuring every backlog item delivers clear value to users or the business. Right-size items by breaking down large items into smaller, manageable pieces completable within a single sprint and avoid items that are too small and create unnecessary overhead. Schedule regular grooming sessions with the team to ensure the backlog remains clean, well understood, and ready for upcoming sprints. A well-managed product backlog is the foundation of successful Agile product development. It represents not just what will be built, but the ongoing conversation about value delivery. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.